Nick from AZInsight here. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the way a pop-up window appears on the calculator screen in AZInsight. An example of a pop-up window is when you hover your mouse over historical data. Here you will see an interactive pop-up window. Another example is when you hover your mouse over the lowest FBA offers within a certain percentage of the lowest FBA price. This again is a pop-up window. We have two options how these pop-up windows can be displayed, either by hovering your mouse over the text or by clicking the text. Here's how we can change how the pop-ups are displayed. Locate and click on the gear settings icon. Then click on View Settings. Here you'll see a section that says how pop-ups are displayed on the calculator. You have a choice to select either hover over mouse, which means you have to hover your mouse over the text, or click, which means that you have to click on the text to show the window. Once you've made your selection, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Then go back into the calculator and you'll notice that the pop-ups do not appear unless you hover your mouse over the text and click on it. The window will stay active until you click on the text once again, or you move your mouse away from the window. That's all for this video, but feel free to check out some of the other tutorials to learn even more about using AZInsight. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.azinsight.com.